Here is the Signal 1 cx-7A transceiver once again. So I had this thing playing last night and today a bit, and it suddenly developed a short and it blew the fuse and it quit. So I got a major failure now where I was on the path of getting it working, but now I guess I got some power supply problems. So not gonna jump into it. This is a radio. You have to really learn how each bit of it works before you really want to go in there confidently. It looks like someone did modify the power supply a lot. And there's 4 regulators down there. This thing just had a hard failure with the power supply. I put another 3 amp fuse in it, blew it. So I'm not going to push it. I'm just going to have to take it apart and analyze what's going on. Anyway, besides all that, what else is irritating is all these buttons look really nice. They weren't used a lot. The only button that's really bad is the power button. So what I did was, since this was worn down pretty much, I took this stencil and I've been digging into the plastic with this needle thing. It's not a stenciler, but it's a, I don't know, it's a pricker point, and I've been digging out plastic. So my goal is to get these things as deep as these are, because this was worn off by someone's hands pushing on it day and night. And then I'll put some white paint in here and then wipe it off, and it'll stay in the grooves. So we'll give that a whirl. Anyway, update on the cx-7A. Yeah, it's going to be a long restoration for me because I don't know these things cold. This is probably going to be a 2 or 3 month project. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.